a tutorial on how to query and download data using the Adirondack Regional Geographic Information System, ARGIS. Okay, here I have zoomed out to the extent of the park. I'm actually going to zoom in here. I'm going to go back to a previous extent that I had. This is down by Old Forge and Racket Lake. It's in the western part of the park. I'm going to show this lake chemistry data that was collected by the Adirondack Lake Survey Corporation and the federal government back in the 80s during concern for the acid rain when that first surfaced. And so you can see that we've got a number of features here. They had quite an extensive survey. And you can click on one of these lakes and get some information about it. This is the name of the lake. There's a link to the information that was collected at the when they did the survey. Now, you may want to know more information, because we actually have a lot more information in this database than just what's shown on this interactive map. So you can click on the Query and Download Data tool. And you see what's brought up this layer here, Water Chemistry 1984 to 1987. And I've got this query by location on. And you can, so it's just going to select the things in the current view. And it takes it's going to query the database directly. And so then here you have a sort of interactive attribute table where you can click on a particular lake. You'll see it's been highlighted here. We can do a bigger lake. There's Pigeon Lake. You can zoom to it. And then you can zoom back. All right. And you can do things like sort by various attributes, pH, things like that. Let's say there's some pHs here. You can see, oh, there's some quite acidic lakes in here. Should be able to highlight the ones with a high acidity. Actually sort by that one first. And then you can see that certain lakes have less acidity than others. Some around Big Moose Lake. All right, and then you can download this data. If you click here, you can download just what you've queried in a number of formats. Now you can also go to the data center if you want to download data, and there's several data sets that are available for download as shapefiles, as KMZs. They can be brought to Google Earth, and also WMS layers. Some of these, the Adirondack Park Agency in particular has, at this point, and we have web map services for them, and then there's a separate tutorial showing how to bring those into local software packages like ArcMap. All right, that's it for downloading and querying.